In your Google search tab, search CTGEYIL.com. Welcome to our website. Scroll down on the main page. Here you will see our products and right at the bottom our company details and contact information. You can follow us on our social media platforms. Now for the fun parts. Back to the top of the page and you will see the login sign up icon on the right. Click on this icon which will open up the create your account. Enter your first name and your last name. Enter your mobile number. It will advise you if your number is already existing on our database. Enter your email address. Again, it will advise if there is an email address registered. You will be requested to create a password for your account. The password needs to have 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and at least 1 digit. Once all details are entered, click on Submit. On the top right, it will reflect that a verification link has been sent successfully. You would now need to go into your email. In your email, there will be an email confirming that you need to click on Verify Link. This then reroutes and opens the link and will reflect that your verification is successful. Click on Login. On the top right, it will reflect you are logged in successfully. The page opens up and you are now ready to view our products. Scroll down. you can see the various products we have on offer. Top right, click on the person icon. The drop-down box, click on your person. This brings up your account information. Under your profile, you can see your details added there, but you now need to add a shipping address. Click on Add. Complete your details in full here. You will enter your full name or the person's name receiving your shipment. The correct mobile number of the person receiving the shipment. And the full physical address where the shipment will be delivered to. Once all the details have been entered correctly and you have checked, you can click Submit. Once done, under your profile, you can see all the details and the shipping address. Should you require an additional address, this can be added. Once done, to start shopping, you can click on our logo on the top left. The page with our products will come up. Select the product you wish to purchase. Simply click on the product. This brings up another screen with full details of the product. On the left side, if you click on the images, this will zoom each image and you're able to view all sides of the product. You are able to view the pricing and technical details of the product. There are two options, add to cart or add to wish list. Click on add to wish list. This changes the icon and you're able to see it's now wish listed. On the top right, click on the person icon, which brings up your profile. Under your profile on the left, click on wish list. This reflects the product you selected. Click on add to cart. Now you are ready to make the final step. On the top right, click on the cart icon. This now brings up your shopping cart. It reflects the product and now you can check out. The checkout details will pop up. You are able to review the delivery details, items being delivered, shipping address, total amount due, and the delivery charge. Once you have reviewed and ensured all details are correct, on the right side, click on Checkout to make payment via PayFast. In the next video, we will show you how to check out your purchase and use the Help Center to your advantage. Thank you for viewing.